Lord of mercy. Good Friday afternoon to y'all. It's Dan. I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. I hope everybody's having a sure enough good Friday. And I'm here to tell you, I'm like Dan the weatherman. Over here in East Central Mississippi, it's about 80 degrees, but it's comfortable outside. But what I wanted to share with you and y'all today is I got to get to picking some of these pole beans. I went to looking. Well, yesterday I seen some, but today I looked again, and you know what? I got to pick some pole beans. So give me a second. We finna walk over yonder them 16-foot raised beds, and that's what we finna do. All right, you and y'all, here we are over here by these 16-foot raised beds. And I'm here to tell you, got my little bean picking bowl right there. But what I'm gonna tell you is, I have a whole bunch of these guys that need to come off. Now, Dan, is this just gonna be a sure enough mess of pole beans? No, probably not. But what I'm trying to do is go on and pick these guys off of these vines just to encourage growth and get them to grow or put out more beans. So I'm gonna get to picking these guys, and then I'm gonna show you what I ended up harvesting. Need to harvest some of them guys right there, and that's the True Blue Georgia Collards. Got to get after them too. But what we're gonna work on today is them pole beans. All right, y'all, I done about picked all the pole beans that I could pick. Let me show you what I got. I want to say maybe a pound, maybe a little over a pound of pole beans. And I picked these guys at different sizes. Here is the Vortex, and that's probably another Vortex. And that might be a Kentucky Wonder. But I pick them at different sizes. Look at that one. And that's cool. If you read online or you read in books, they say you should pick your pole beans when they're about the size of a pencil in, diameter. But hey, you pick them jokers like you wants to pick them. And that's how I like to pick them, because they're gonna be showing off tender. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm actually gonna put these guys in the refrigerator. I may even vacuum seal them. And I'm gonna wait a couple, 3, maybe 4 days, and I'll probably get another picking off of those pole beans, and I'm gonna do a sure enough 2 or 3 hour pole bean recipe for you and y'all. So that's what it's looking like. Here you have it, y'all. Just a little showing off the first harvest of the fall pole beans over here at my home in the sticks. Quite happy with how it turned out. Tractor. Yeah, folks drive tractors over here all the time. But I wanted to share that with you and y'all. Again, I hope everybody is having a wonderful Friday. I hope y'all have a sure enough safe weekend. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home in the Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over and give me a look, because I'm always doing stuff. Really? And with that being said, you know it's coming down, reference showing enough, I always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. I mean, nobody. Especially when you're picking some fall pole beans. And we will see you and y'all in the next video.